we would never do this.
Oh my god.
Look at me too.
Kalau misalnya Michelle atau Angel nikah duluan, Cicik gimana? I used to want you guys to marry first, remember?
Iya.
Dulu
She was so anti cowok banget deh.
Iya, itu dia.
Dulu tuh I always like, aku tuh nggak mau banget pacaran guys, anti banget sampai I told them kayak gak usah suruh-suruh I pacaran. Kalau misalnya mau pacaran, you pacaran duluan baru nanti next few years I pacaran.
Sampai dia kalau ke cowok tuh jahat banget. Jadi kita juga kayak inspired by her. Jadi dulu kita tuh jadi kayak gitu juga karena cici kita kayak gitu. And we used to want to be like Hijab so bad. Kita ngikutin
I
dia.
want to be like me.
Kita kayak sembah dia guys. Kayak kita harus yang deep deh guys. Kayak gitu tuh pernah iri.
Ah, iya sih.
Kayak kita dari tadi so cetek bro.
Ya udah, pernah nggak merasa iri satu sama lain?
Of course pernah pasti
itu.
kayak one of us punya kelebihan dan kekurangan dan
Iya.
kita pasti selalu compare ourselves
Iya.
karena dari dulu emang kayak we're like sedekat itu sampai kita selalu di compare gitu.
Kita di compare, jadi kita selalu mikir kayak aren't we enough and we always want more. Cause that's the basic of human nature kan, kayak
Yes.
nggak pernah puas sama diri sendiri. Jadi kita selalu compare, apalagi cici-cici di sebelah ini tuh juga kayak achievementsnya banyak, terus kayak pinter-pinter juga. So like the pressure is
But we all know like
We have like different like
talents.
ya, jadi tuh karena kita selalu irinya di aspek yang berbeda dan kita omongin, kita jadi sadar kalau misalnya
yang paling penting guys kalau you guys iri-irian tuh harus
ngomong, jangan keep it to yourself, it's
Yes.
toxic.
Dan kita tuh gara-gara itu jadi sadar kayak oh
Iya.
ternyata dia iri sama ini gue irinya sama aspek
Ini
lain
lu.
dari dia. Kita
Iya,
jadi
iya.
sadar kayak oke,
Iya.
setiap dari kita ada plus minusnya.
Iya.
And
And
kita
guys,
saling membantu figure out.
jangan sampai keirian itu buat kita benci sama saudara kita sendiri karena at the end of the day guys mereka yang bakal ada sama kita terus gitu ya.
Pasti banyak orang yang mencoba untuk mempecahkan our relationship as siblings dengan cara compare. Tapi kita bakalan menang nggak? Kayak kita bakalan beneran terpisah atau kita bakalan
Iya.
tetap erat dan kita
Yang penting tuh
And
hirauin.
guys, iya. And people have like different opinions loh. Ngerti gak sih?
Nih.
Satu orang pikir kayak gini, gak semua orang ngomong kayak gitu. Yesterday. Jadi yang you guys bisa kontrol tuh cuman kita punya pikiran,
Nah,
bukan orang-orang
dan
punya pikiran.
mentality kita tuh bener-bener karena sering banget di compare. Kalau kita ketemu orang pasti ada yang kayak kok kalian kalau yang ini beda sendiri, kok yang ini itu sendiri. Nah itu tuh kayak menurut saya pernah buat dia jadi toxic.
Iya,
Pernah buat Kim
soalnya
jadi toxic.
dulu I pernah kayak parah banget, jelek banget, kayak beda banget sama mereka.
A few moments later.
Oily banget ya bun.
You wanna use powder first? Oke guys, kita lanjutin pakai HP.
Saya mati bro.
The cam is dead. So lanjut ya. So ya, ada pernah zaman-zamannya she's very toxic gitu kepada dirinya sendiri and it really ruins her mental health juga. Jadi akhirnya tugas dari kita berdua itu zaman-zaman toxic adalah kita harus selalu ada buat dia, ngerti gak sih? Kita nggak boleh marah karena
kayak-
dia feel that way. Because kalau kita marahin, kita tahu dia bakal lebih tertutup dan malah nggak mau kasih tahu and keep it all to herself.
True.
So-
Jadi kalau kayak pokoknya di posisi I, kalau you guys di posisi I yang in which kayak semua orang compare and jelekin and kayak dulu I pernah sampai dibilang kayak anak adopsi lah gitu. Tapi I know it's like bercanda, tapi kayak kadang
It
itu kayak
affects you.
itu kayak sakit banget di
Yeah.
I gitu. Kayak selalu di compare gitu kan. Untuk you guys yang di posisi I-nya, you guys harus coba ngomongin ke siblings. Even though kayak mereka nggak bakal get it. Mereka pasti kayak jadi kayak anjir kayak nggak nyangka, kayak ngerti gak sih kayak ternyata setoxic itu gitu. Nah tapi posisi mereka juga, you guys gak boleh
Don't deny it. Gini, kalian harus ngertiin sibling kalian karena kayak it's normal lah. Apalagi gini deh, kalau kalian di compare dibilang kayak kok yuk gini sih, pasti juga nggak suka. Yang penting
Put
tuh
yourself
yang
in
penting
their
tuh
position.
sibling hubungan antara siblings ini tuh bagus.
You have to learn how to put yourself in their position as them, bukan as yourself.
Ya,
Karena
ya.
mungkin kayak kan lu pasti kayak grow up-nya juga background-nya beda. Jadi kayak lu kalau jadi dia mungkin dia merasa kayak kayaknya gue gak bakal sebaper itu deh. Padahal nggak bisa gitu karena di background-nya dia dulunya kan juga udah ngalaminnya apa aja kan beda sama apa yang kita sendiri.
And guys, what people put in like the internet tuh nggak sama persis sama apa yang mereka alamin in real life gitu loh. Kayak I dulu sering banget dapet kayak kayaknya kamu paling kayak sembarangan ya karena kamu nggak pernah bareng sama kayak mereka berdua dulu emang sering foto bareng kan. Kayak dia sampai kayak kamu
Padahal
kasihan banget sama
itu
kamu
kan-
Kak. Pas grade 6. Saya kayak lu kayak kita actually bertiga deket banget loh, ngerti gak sih?
Ya, people will judge, tapi kayak we know yang penting kita tetap erat, jadi ya udahlah. And you should all remember, jangan pernah ada kayak problem antara sibling karena kayak bitch, we tight siblings.
Come at us, haters.
Pernah pengen jadi immortal?
No.
No.
I don't wanna
No.
live by myself.
But are you scared of dying?
It's not like I'm scared of dying. I'm scared of like
Not belong.
being good enough. Pas
Iya,
udah
udah.
itu kayak
I
belum.
just want to achieve something big first, baru I can peacefully die.
What is one thing that you guys have in common and it means a lot to you guys?
ukuran baju yang sama.
Oh, iya.
Satu yang sama, jadi kita bisa
That means
sharing.
a lot. Kita sharing baju semua ini baju I,
Itu jaket I.
ini kalung I,
Ini eyebrows I.
orang ini eyebrow saya.
Apa lo?
Something nice from Angel, Mitch, and Jack. Jadi kayak compliment game.
Compliment game, oke.
Okay.
Abis itu kita rose game
Wow,
gak sih?
this is hard.
Ya, kayak, it's the blah blah for me. Rose game dulu deh. It's the blah blah for me. It's the blah.
Ya udah.
Okay,
Let's do the rose game. It's a fake lashes for me.
It's the smiling like this for me.
It's the segitiga nose for me.
It's the always asking me.
It's the always negative thinking for me.
It's the always trading people for me.
Woi, jangan gitu dong. Ada orang kerja sama gua.
It's the alcoholism for me.
It's the gengsi as fuck for me.
You just said that for yourself too.
It's the hair always looking like something for me.
It's the always me for me. Always me gitu ya. Nanti kan guys.
It's the ini bikin Rosa
It's the working out just to take pictures for me.
It's the working out only 1 day out of 10 for me.
ini paling Rose abis sih, cuman harus disensor. It's the oddly It's the always trying to look edgy for me.
It's the always crying after we talk something out for me. Oh, it's the yellow braces for me.
It's the always video everything for TikTok for me.
No, it's video everything for memories. I don't even post
Facts.
everything.
It's the crying after this for me.
The
It's the
double
crying when you drunk
eyebags
for
for
me.
me.
It's itu. Bukan.
No?
It's the crying because of kekasih bayangan.
Kau jadikan aku kekasih bayangan.
The
Yoci.
It's the we're getting
fun
to
to pumped up in the
Yeah,
same
man,
time. It's
it's
so
so
fun
fun.
to roast them. Kan
So
kita
we're
harus
gonna do
compliment.
compliments, okay?
Okay, it's the
Oke, pakai itu juga tapi ini the positive. Paling Angel tuh. You can compliment yourself too.
Yes, I know you want to. You want to.
Enggak. Tapi I sering confident, tapi Kak I tuh juga sering insecure. It's the always prioritizing other people for me.
Aww, it's the
I'm waiting.
it's the golden voice for me.
It's the very pretty smile for me.
No, it's the dimple for me.
The charming aura for me.
It's the very
the-
friendly for me.
It's very friendly for me. It's
It's
the
I tahu.
shining when you get into a room. Kayak langsung shining, ngerti gak sih? Kayak
Aww.
It's the always listening to my problems for me.
It's the always being the orang tengah kalau ada yang berantem for me.
It's the always making peace in this family for me. It's the complimenting me even though I
I always have fun around you. It's the always laughing at my joke for me.
Oh my god, this is so sad actually. We never do this.
Oh my god.
Thanks for whoever
Wow.
sent us this question, man.
It's the always making cheesy moments for me. It's the always giving best advices for me.
It's the always pakai logika for me.
It's the reminding me to always be confident and not to listen to others for me. Kalau dia mah, ya ngapain sih mikir kayak gitu?
It's the always defending us for me.
Oh.
Ya itu bener banget, si Michelle would literally marahin orang, kemaluan dia tuh bisa hilang banget. Yang penting kita tuh protected. It's the always protecting me from any drama, from any bullies, from any person who want to try to bring me down by shit talking me.
And it's the always interested to our stories.
Yeah.
And always super smart kalau kita lagi cerita kayak, oh serius gitu.
It's the always seeing the other side for me. Always looking at another perspective
It's the really contagious laugh for me. And you
Really?
too.
Oh, it's the always promoting me guys, like mau orang lihat I nyanyi kayak gitu
Of course,
kayak
'cause she's very
People need
talented.
to see how
talented.
talented
She's
and
so
how
shy.
special she is and how shiny she
Yeah.
is. You guys need to know that.
Yeah,
I really have like
it's the bonding for me.
yeah, it's the solid for me.
It's the getting drunk at 3 a.m. together for me.
Yeah.
It's the like sister
Crying.
time without any boy problems for me.
For me.
Get it?
It's the 3 a.m. nangis cerita problems to each other for me.
And it's the all open-mindedness for me.
Yes. It's the always bukain ay pintu when
Yeah, it's the always covering up for me.
Yes.
Yeah. A long way.
Why are we celebrating this cheesy, guys?
Sumpah, I gak pernah cheesy anyway guys. It's the always teaching me skincare and best products for me.
And it's always teaching us how to pose and take pictures.
Being models in my underrated studio.
Nobody will understand how happy I am in this family with you guys for me. Cause nothing really bisa kayak I don't think
Sumpah
anyone
guys,
actually
kalau
imagine
misalnya
us.
kalian kayak kira kayak kita kayak in real life gak bakal sedekat itu.
No.
Kayak we're way closer in
In
real
real
life.
life, siapa yang paling lama kalau siap-siap mau pergi?
Ah, nggak tahu ditemuin orang guys.
Ya, dia tuh kalau misalnya bukan kepentingan dia pasti dia lama banget.
Karena yang paling lama tuh pilih baju jujur. Tapi kalau misalnya I have like something in mind, ya udah kayak gampang.
Siapa yang paling sering marah, yang paling sering centil, dan siapa yang paling sibuk?
Sering marah.
You, centil Angel. Paling sibuk.
I sih. Enggak lah, gila dia paling
Tapi nggak juga sih.
Sekarang lagi
You
mau.
guys making me look so centil in this video. Unfair, I am not at all centil guys.
Pacar kalian bertiga siapa? Oke. Pacar A ya.
Gak! Sumpah ini offset banget. Guys, sumpah ini gak boleh. Woi!
Bayang nggak gimana kalau misalnya kalian itu bukan 3 bersaudara tapi 2 bersaudara dong?
Enggak.
I nggak bisa bayangin.
Nggak bisa.
Karena kita tuh complete each other nggak sih? Kayak yang satu strongnya di ini, terus nanti kalau kita ada masalah kita kayak saling bantu each other. I nggak bisa bayangin kalau I cuma sama Cijaklin atau kayak cuma sama Cibi.
Iya.
Jadi waktu itu pas kecil I tuh suka banget main yang kaki dicemplungin,
Ada
terus
ikan-ikan.
ikannya digigit kaki gitu kan. Nah terus I tuh sering banget kayak kalau ketemu I langsung masukin aja. Dan there's like this once I masukin kaki I, tiba-tiba
Baru kayak bentar banget.
tiba-tiba I celupin dan akhirnya harus bayar kan. Terus pas I minta mama untuk bayar, mama nggak mau bayar. Dan bayar
Panggil polisi ya, panggil polisi. Gila,
dan itu
Aldi,
bener-bener
so
kayak
traumatic.
setelah I pikir nggak mungkin panggil polisi cuma untuk bayar 5.000. Tapi kayak pas saat itu I tuh beneran kira I bakal jadi buronan gitu loh. Jadi I
Sampai
nggak
sekarang
berani
kayak, what's
sama
the
sekali
point
ke
of
mall
that?
itu.
I guess that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope kita bisa bikin video lagi soon. Give it a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you wanna see more. And comment di bawah kalian mau lihat apa nextnya. Say bye-bye, Gypsy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.